All right, Math 7, here is proportion word problems. It says up here, Mandy works construction. She knows that a 5-meter long metal bar has a mass of 40 kilograms. She wants to figure out what would be the mass of a 3-meter long. So how do you set this up? Well, here's how you set it up. We know that the bar of a 5-meter long one has a mass of 40. And then on the bottom, we know that a 3-meter bar, remember we just put that under the bar, will have a mass of x. So, let's see, 40 divided by 5 is 8, so then 3 times 8 would be 24. Yeah, just that simple. We've kind of been working on these. Let's do one more here. Rachel earned $34 in 4 hours at her job today. She wants to know how much she can earn tomorrow if she works 10 hours at the same rate. Well, let's find out here. Okay, if she can, in 4 hours, earn $34, then how much can she make in 10 hours? How much money will she make? Well, 34 divided by 4 is 8.5. 8.5 times 10 is, that's right, $85. It's that easy, guys. Should not take you long. This video, less than 1.5 minutes. Have a great one. Bye-bye.